so red, you know this tune playing in my head. Hey Cordelia, don't you frown, well your daddy went crazy and your house burned down. I'm gonna make everything alright, I'm singing this for you tonight. I got a tune running through my head and it won't go away. Sing it to me softly, sing it to me day after day. And I want you, darling, and I don't want nobody but you. We can jam in the daylight, we can jam the whole night through, the whole night through. Turn me on, someone to wake beside at dawn, someone to sing my song. Be my Nightingale, be my Nightingale. Someone to kiss beneath the moon and sleep with in the afternoon, someone to sing my tune. Be my Nightingale, be my Nightingale. Well, hey Cordelia, don't you cry, your feet's so fine and your body's so shy. But on the brain is no place to be. Go find your lover out across the sea. Girl, do you hear the music playing? Do you understand what the singer is saying in these visions that we both have seen? Baby, can you tell me just what they mean? Just what they mean. I got a tune running through my head that I want you to hear. Play it for your darling, for your sisters and the good King Lear. Sisters and the good King Lear. And I've been dreaming of a day when the sun will shine again. Shine on through your lightning, shine on through your thunder and rain. Shine on. I need someone to turn me on, someone to wake beside at dawn, someone to sing my song. Be my Nightingale, come on and be my Nightingale. Someone to kiss beneath the moon and sleep with in the afternoon, someone to sing my tune. Be my Nightingale, be my Nightingale. Yeah. So won't you listen to the band? Won't you listen to the band? Won't you try to understand?